Good day everyone, I am teacher Jhas and I will be your teacher for today. Our lesson for today is all about... Okay class, our topic for today is all about the scientific method. Okay, before we proceed the 5 steps of scientific method, what is science? Did you know about science? Okay, very good. Science is a way in which answers related to natural events are purposed, a way in which people can learn and understand events in the natural world. Based on observation, events, a study of natural worlds, a method of discovery and understanding by using a problem-solving process called the... Okay, now let's go the 5 steps to the scientific method. What is the first step? Number 1, asking a question. Number 2, making hypothesis. Number 3, gather information. Number 4, study the information. And the last one is draw a conclusion. Okay. Again, what is the 5 steps of scientific methods? Number 1, asking a question. Number 2, making hypothesis. Number 3, gather information. Number 4, study the information. And the last one, draw a conclusion. Do you understand? Okay, very good. Now, to the steps. First, asking a question. In this step, we identify a problem from observing things around us. We observe carefully using all our 5 senses. Okay, 5 senses. Observation based on sense are tools, sight, smell, touch, etc. Observations of natural events usually raise a question. Why did the water raise when the candle went out? Research is usually done to help find out more about the question raised. Making a hypothesis. In this step, we guess answer to our questions. We guess from what we know. Based on your observation, a hypothesis is formed that tries to explain your observation or answer your question. Okay, that is observation or answer your question. A hypothesis tries to predict or determine the outcome of your experiment even before the experiment is done. Prediction usually states in an if-then statement. Example, if I drop a rock, then it will fall down toward the ground. 3. Gathering information. In this step, we find answer to our questions. We observe, explore, and do experiments. Then we write down the data we get. Describe the process of acquiring knowledge. It is not the knowledge itself. When a portion of a story focus on learning, it is the gathering of an education that is of concern, not the education that ultimately has been gathered. Number 4. Step number 4, studying the information. Okay. In this step, we explain the result we get. Okay, studying information, that is, we explain the result we get. This will help us to draw a conclusion. Okay, let's go the last step, drawing a conclusion. In this step, we make a summary of our results. We check if they match our hypothesis. This knowledge is used in our everyday life. Okay, knowledge is used in our everyday life and for future study. Scientists decide whether the result of the experiment support a hypothesis. When the hypothesis is not supported by the test, the scientists must find another explanation for what they have observed. No experiment is a failure. All experiments are observation of real events. Do you understand? Okay, very good. Now let's go for your activity. Complete the table using the scientific method. Okay, we have 6 questions. Again, for your activity, complete the table using the scientific method.
I hope you learned a lot today. Once again, I am Teacher Jhas. See you soon and bye!